Did you know that there are angles that are on opposite sides but always measure the same? Today, at Telemathematics, you're going to master alternate angles, both internal and external, in a clear, visual way with fun challenges. If you understand them, geometry becomes much easier. So, let's get started. When two parallel lines are cut by a transversal line, many angles appear. But today, we will focus on just two very powerful types: alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles. Let's start with alternate interior angles, which are formed if they are between the two parallel lines and they are on opposite sides of the transversal. What is the key property? If the lines are parallel, then the alternate interior angles are equal, meaning they have the same measure. For example, if the amplitude of angle 3 is 65 degrees, then its alternate interior angle also measures 65 degrees. Analytically, this is written as. Similarly, angle 4 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles and have the same property. So analytically, this is written as. Very good. On the other hand, alternate exterior angles are satisfied if they are outside the parallels and if they are on opposite sides of the transversal. Now, what is the key property? Just like alternate interior angles, if the lines are parallel, then the angles are equal, meaning they have the same amplitude. For example, if the amplitude of angle 1 is 115 degrees, then its alternate external angle also measures 115 degrees. Analytically, it is written. Similarly, angle 2 and angle 7 are alternate external angles and satisfy the same property, so analytically it is written. In summary, we have the alternate interior angles are found inside the parallel lines, and the alternate exterior angles are found outside the parallel lines. For both angles, they are found on opposite sides of the transversal, and for both angles, they measure the same. Let's see if you understood the whole topic with some 3-second mini challenges. Challenge 1. If the measure of angle 6 is 42 degrees, what is the measure of its alternate interior angle? 3 seconds. Very good. 42 degrees too, because they are inside the parallel lines and are located on opposite sides of the transversal. Challenge 2. We know that the measure of angle 2 is 78 degrees. What is the measure of its pair? Hurry up. Correct, 78 degrees as well, because they are outside the parallel lines and are located on opposite sides of the transversal. Challenge 3. Are angles 1 and 7 alternate? Decide quickly. Very good. They are not alternate because they are not located on opposite sides of the transversal. If you answer correctly, you have mastered alternate angles. Now, what are the most common mistakes with alternate angles? You must be very careful with. First, confusing alternate angles with corresponding angles. Second, thinking that all opposite angles are alternate angles. And third, forgetting that they only work when the lines are parallel. Today, you master alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles. So,
If you liked the video, I encourage you to give it a like, to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and to activate notifications so you can see the new topics that we will be releasing, to leave us your comments, and to share it with your friends. Until the next video,